To measure for your new SecOnline sliding stacker doors, you will need a good quality tape measure, a pen and paper to record your measurements. We do not recommend bending the tape, instead we recommend using the tape lock and adding the tape body length to your measurement. The tape length is usually written on the side of the tape. When measuring your door, always be on the outside looking in. Our doors have industry standard top and bottom rollers. You must have suitable tracking to accommodate these rollers. Tracking can be purchased by the add-on section. Start by determining your lock side by looking at the door from the outside looking in. In this case, the lock is on the left. We are on the outside looking in. Enter your lock side in the SecOnline door builder. To measure the width, measure the full distance from the inside of the receiving channel to the outer edge of the receiving interlock on the fixed glass panel. Enter the measurement into the SecOnline door builder. The builder will automatically add 70mm to your measurement and divide it by 2 to calculate the width of each door. The extra 70mm accounts for the frame overlap when the doors are closed. To measure the height, measure from inside the top track to the top of the raised rail of the bottom. Measure at several points along the tracks to be assured that there is no great variation. Please note, if a variation of more than 4mm exists, this may result in the door not sliding properly, and additional tracking may have to be installed to make tracks parallel. Please contact us to discuss your options. Enter your shortest height measurement in the SecOnline door builder. The builder will take the required 12mm deduction from your measurement. Take your lock measurement from the top of the bottom track to the centre of the sliding lock latch. This will also be the centre of the lock striker. This measurement needs to be a minimum of 120mm above the top of your existing solid door lock or 60mm below the bottom of your existing door lock. Enter your lock height measurement into the SecOnline door builder. If you're ordering a fly door or any of our stainless steel mesh doors with a width measurement greater than 1000mm, you will require a centre bar. To measure for the centre bar, measure from the bottom of your existing screen door to the desired height or to the vision marks on your glass door. The height entered will be the middle of the bar. Please note, if a bar height is not entered, we will fit the bar in the exact centre. Please note, your SecOnline sliding stacker doors come with a frame interlock for each screen panel and a receiving interlock, both the 7mm and 3mm for flexibility, to connect the two stacking doors. Most fixed glass panels already have a receiving interlock to connect the non-active door to the fixed glass panel. If not, you can purchase a receiving interlock via the add-on section of the door builder. We recommend taking all measurements twice. If you get different measurements, have someone come check them for you. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact one of our friendly team members.